Every partnership needs a unique identifier for tax purposes, just like individuals have social security numbers. For businesses, this identifier is called an Employer Identification Number, or EIN. If you're running a partnership or planning to start one, understanding EIN requirements is essential for your business's legal compliance and financial operations. An EIN is a 9-digit number issued by the Internal Revenue Service that functions essentially as a social security number for your business. While not all business structures require an EIN, partnerships must obtain one regardless of whether they have employees or not. Unlike sole proprietors, who can use their personal social security numbers for business purposes, partnerships involve multiple owners and therefore need a separate identifier. This requirement applies to all partnership types, including general partnerships, limited partnerships, and limited liability partnerships. The EIN requirement exists because partnerships, while not paying taxes at the entity level, must still file an annual information return using Form 1065. This form reports the partnership's income, deductions, and profit distributions, which are then passed through to the individual partners via Schedule K-1 forms. Different types of partnerships have slightly different considerations when it comes to EINs. General partnerships and limited partnerships both need to obtain an EIN and file Form 1065, though the tax treatment may vary between general and limited partners. Limited liability partnerships must comply with both federal requirements and potentially additional state-level filings. Foreign partnerships can also apply for an EIN even without a social security number by submitting Form SS4 and indicating their foreign status. Some states may require additional registrations or state-level tax IDs beyond the federal EIN. Obtaining an EIN offers several significant benefits beyond mere tax compliance. With an EIN, your partnership can open a business bank account in the company's name rather than using personal accounts. This separation is crucial for maintaining clear financial boundaries between the business and its owners. An EIN also enables your partnership to apply for business credit or loans without necessarily requiring personal guarantees from the partners. You'll need an EIN to obtain various business permits and licenses required in your industry or location. If your partnership hires independent contractors, having an EIN allows you to provide them with required 1099 forms. Additionally, using an EIN instead of personal social security numbers provides greater privacy protection for the partners. From a tax perspective, your EIN plays a central role in your partnership's obligations. Partnerships must file an annual information return using Form 1065, reporting all income, deductions, gains, and losses. The partnership itself doesn't pay income tax. Instead, profits and losses flow through to the individual partners who report their shares on their personal tax returns. If your partnership has employees, you'll use your EIN for employment tax filings, including withholding income taxes and paying Social Security and Medicare taxes. Certain businesses must also use their EIN for excise tax filings, particularly those involved in activities like alcohol sales, trucking, or wagering. Applying for an EIN is straightforward and free. The most efficient method is applying online through the IRS website. You can also apply by mail, fax, phone, or even in person, though these methods typically take longer. To complete your application, you'll need several pieces of information: your business address, information about the business owner or officer, the number of members if you operate as an LLC, the date your company began operations, your business type, employee count, and contact information. Processing times vary significantly depending on your application method. Online applications are processed immediately, with your EIN issued as soon as you complete the form. Fax applications typically take about 4 business days to process. Mail applications are the slowest option, potentially taking 4 to 6 weeks for the IRS to process. Phone applications for international applicants may take up to 2 weeks for manual processing. Once issued, your EIN never expires and doesn't require renewal. All partnerships must obtain an EIN. There's no way to operate legally without one. The application process is free through official IRS channels, and foreign partners can apply even without a social security number. Understanding EIN requirements is a fundamental step in establishing your partnership on solid legal and financial ground. By obtaining and properly using your EIN, you'll ensure tax compliance while gaining important benefits that help separate your business finances from your personal ones.